Xiaomi Redmi Turbo 3 design of the back is very simple, and the circle camera module and the flash are independently arranged in a triangle, which is cute, fashionable and simple. The slightly detailed part is that the camera module uses a double turbine pattern diaphragm design, which echo the name of the product Turbo. The left and right border are narrow to 1.3 mm with a top border of 1.35 mm and a bottom border of 2.27 mm. The device measures 7.8 mm thick and weighs just 179 grams. Redmi Turbo 3 uses a diamond skeleton structure with 10 upgrades. The middle frame is reinforced with a high-strength aluminum alloy. The four corners are reinforced with a metal. The motherboard is 30% thicker and the corner Gorilla Glass cover is used. This allows it is protection to obtain the SGS 5-star drop and fair essential certifications. In terms of display, the Turbo 3 boasts a large 6.67-inch OLED screen surrounded by ultra-thin bezel with a fingerprint scanner. The display offers a 1.5K resolution, 120 has a refresh rate, 2400 nits peak brightness, 100% P3 color diamond display and 12-bit color depth, 1920 as a PWM diamond technology. So he comes with dual camera setup, 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 main sensor with OIS and 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. There is a 20 megapixel front facing selfie snapper. The smartphone has the AI based object eraser feature, which is similar to pixel magic eraser that remove any unwanted elements from the image. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm TSMC chipset with LPDDR R5X UFS 4.0 storage. The Antutu score is 1629776 and single core and multi-core score are 1965 and 5320 Xiaomi AC cooling system for heat dissipation during intensive and propellant uses. The smartphone draws its power from 5000 mAh battery unit with support for 90 watt fast charging. The Redmi Turbo 3 starts at 1999 yuan for the base 12GB plus 2 5GB variants. The smartphone is offered in Asian titanium, green blade and black crystal color. It will go on sale starting April 15, 2024 in China. Redmi Turbo 3 is arrived as a Poco F6 outside of China for a global audience.